I'm just about to show you what I pick up at boot fairs on a regular basis. I'm going to show you items that you can flip on eBay and maximize your profits. And towards the end, I'm going to show you how you can almost double the price of an item with a very easy and quick tip. So let's take a look at what I picked up at Sunday's boot fair. On Sunday morning, I'd done two boot fairs. I'd done one, which was an early start. Opens about 6, to let everyone in at 6. And then after that, I went on to a second boot fair, which is my favourite one, which starts at 9:30. So there's plenty of time to go around the first one and then drive over to the second one. Now, this is a Humax FreeSat. Unfortunately, it's got no power supply, but I've got a couple of power supplies knocking around in the shed. So I'm going to have a look, see if I've got one for that. Now this is a 500, it's got a 500 gigabyte hard drive in there. I paid £3 for that, but these with the remote, they go for about 45 to £50. So, you know, they're well worth picking up. So I'm looking to get possibly £40 for this. As I say, I don't have a power supply at the moment, so that's got to be tested. Now, whilst we're on the Humax, I also picked this one up. It's quite a nice one. It's in really good condition, and it's got 1 teragigabyte of hard drive in that. Is SCART connection, so that's got to be tested. I'll let you know up here somewhere when I've tested it later. Now this one I paid £3, looking to get a return of about 35. It also comes in its original box, which is handy for packaging it to send it off when it does sell. Now, as I say, when it does sell, not if it sells. I always think positive. I've got this, it's a lovely little pink DVD player. It's got a remote. It's in one of the bags, so you know what it's like. You get the bags out of the car, you leave something in the car. There is a remote with it. This is working. Not a big return, but got Christmas coming up, so we go to. It's ideal for a child's bedroom. This is a bush. It feels quite plasticky, and they go for about £29. So, you know, about £30. Also got this. This is a, I believe, Russell Hobbs 4-slice toaster. It's fully working. Now, if you're picking stuff up like this, just check the mains lead. Make sure there's no cracks or cuts in it. I paid £4 for that. I'm looking to get about £30 back. Now, I picked up this as well. And this is a pair of Singstar Mics, and it's got the connector and everything with it. Now, I paid £5 for these, but these go for about £14, but I'm going to chuck in a couple of games, so I'm looking sort of probably about £20 for those. Actually, she wanted 8, but I'd done a deal because there was another item on her stall that I had as well, which I'll show you now. Right, there we go. Now, actually, you know what that is. This is a Morphy Richards bread making machine unit, whatever you want to call it, and it comes with the original. Instructions. Now, I paid £5 for this, and she wanted 8 for the Singstar, but I'd done both for a tenner. Well, she allowed me to do both for a tenner, and I'm looking for a return of about £30 on this. Right, whilst we're on electronics, now I bought this. Now this is an under cabinet radio and LCD TV. See that? Goes up underneath the cabinet, secure to the cabinet, and you've got a drop down TV screen. Now, I've never seen one of these before, so I thought I'd give it a chance, take a bit of a risk on it. It was £3, that's right, I paid £3 for that. I'm looking for a return of about £25. Also grabbed these. This is a set of Alex Ryder by Anthony Horwitz. I paid, it was a young lad, he could have only been about 13, and when I asked about the books, his dad asked him what he wants for the books. He said, "Oh, just give me £1," but I gave him £3, even though he only wanted £1. He was trying to make a bit of money selling some of his gear. Now I'm only going to get probably about between £14 and £16 for this, but they are in good condition. I may get a little bit more. Time will see. Now I've picked up these. I don't usually pick these up. This is an Angel Care. It's a movement and sound baby monitor. The young lady that was selling it said that it'd only been taken out of the box. It hadn't really been properly used. She tried it once, but there was so much messing around with it, she didn't want to do that. So she got something a little bit, in her own words, a little bit simpler for herself. Now, obviously, I am going to check this fully 100% because it's, you know, it's for a baby monitor. So if there's any tiny little fault on that, I'm not even going to try selling it. Paid £8 for that. I'm willing to take the £8 hit if there's a little error with it. So I'd rather that than have it on my conscience that it could, you know, potentially have really bad repercussions if it's not working. Now, if it's all working, I'm looking to get £26 on that. Picked up this really lovely pair of Clarks. These are size 9 extra wide. You can see the soles. They're absolutely, well, they're not perfect, but there's no wear on them at all. So I paid for those. Paid £5, looking to get at least £30 back on them. I've got a pair of bread and butter. These are Night Mercurials. Paid £3, looking to get about £16 back on those. Whilst we're on football boots, I got another pair of these. These are the Adidas Superflow. Got the Astro soles on them. Paid £3 for those and looking to get about £18 back on those. Right, and last but not least, oh, there we go. There's the remote I was on about. Now, that's for the pink DVD player. I was looking on eBay, checking what things were selling for, and these are on there for about £16 used. So the DVD player is working fine, but if it hadn't been working, then I could have easily doubled my money on, well, no, tripled my money just by that. Right, as I say, last, I've got this nice pair of Lacoste. I've checked all the details. They are genuine. Now, it's really strange. I don't usually pick these up, but in the last couple of weeks, I've had about 2 or 3 pairs of these. £3, as I say, they're in really good condition. Hardly any wear on the soles. Paid £3, looking to get about £19 back on those. Now, this is a Gelert or a Gelert. It's a ladies' coat. Got a nice furry line in there. Size 14. In such good condition that I hung it up and nearly forgot about it whilst I was doing this video. I paid £4 on that. I'm looking to get about £20 back. I've started picking up coats. Autumn's here, winter's just around the corner, unfortunately. Now, I also picked this up. This is a Morphy Richards Supervac Sleek. Now, these I paid. Now, there's no charger with it, so I only paid £1 for it, which is amazing. Now, these usually go for £29 as a unit. Now, remember I said at the start that I would show you how to double the money on an item that you bought at the boot fair to put on sale on eBay. And this is how you can do it with this. Now, said they go for £29.99. Now, this bit here detaches, These sell for about £25 on eBay. Also, as you're probably aware, the base part or the brush, that also comes off, and these go for about £24 to £25. So you've gone from something that could potentially get you about £25. This will go, say, 24, 25. This part about the same. So suddenly that's gone from 25 to £29 up to about 50, £55. And that's how you can change one item into double the money. Thanks for watching. If you've liked the video, then why not hit the like button? That tells me that I'm giving you videos and information that you like to watch. I've got other videos coming out. There'll always be at least one a week, sometimes two. So if you want to be notified as soon as they get loaded up onto YouTube, why not subscribe? Thanks for watching. See you in a video again soon. Bye for now.